Super Saiyan God, King, Prince, Lord Vegeta. Whew. It's a blessing to be so great. We're out here grinding. Today is the 12th year anniversary with me and my baby. So me and my wife have officially been married for 12 years. Me and her have been together for 12 years. It's our anniversary. So, congratulate us. So I'm out here grinding. We're putting in that work. You know how a true Super Saiyan God do it. Let me just show you a little bit of my greatness. Just a little bit. I don't want to make you too mad. Just a little. I'll just give you a little piece of it. Just give you a little piece. Not too much. I don't want you to feel guilty about doing nothing. One more attempt. Get your ass up. Shut up. You great piece of shit, you fat fuck. See? That's what I mean. You see these hating white piece of shits? They always got something to say. They always got to ride by. They're fat, broke trash. They'll be riding this square for the rest of life. Want to talk their shit from the fucking car, then they want to ride their windows up. None of these people are going nowhere. As I get to work out every fucking day, look beautiful. I got white, hating piece of shits calling the police. I got them riding by saying racist shit, but none of them won't pull up. Shit's aggravating. They're all fucking trash. All of them. $10 an hour, $15 an hour for the rest of life. Anyways, let's do this again. Fucking piece of shit. Hate these people, bro. They're going nowhere, man. That's why I'm the only true Super Saiyan God around. That's why I'm the only dude that look like this, because they're fucking trash. Trash. Yo, threw my focus off. Let's go. I'm glad y'all got to see that. You really get to see the nature of these white people, bro. As they ride around fat, trash, no health, no consciousness. They want to talk bad about the nigga who has the best body around, best skills around, and able to do what he wants every fucking day. The joke's on them. They're going nowhere. None of them. They'll be riding this square for the rest of life. See, that's how a true Super Saiyan God do it. You thinking these fat white dudes could ride around that? You think they could do that? No. None of them. None. None of these fat white dudes could do this shit. None of them. They always want to ride around talking shit. None of them. None of them can do this. Give them 1,000 years, they'll never be able to do this. Give them a whole nother lifetime, they'll never do this. So I don't give a fuck about them. So we're gonna keep grinding, we're gonna keep working out, and I will get to the top. Let's go.